Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about what to do when your Kenmore dryer won't start. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your Kenmore dryer won't start. Number 1, a faulty door switch. Number 2, a faulty thermal fuse. Or number 3, a damaged control board. Here's how to fix the issues. Replace the door switch. If the door switch is faulty, your dryer won't recognize that the door is closed. To determine if the door switch is defective, shut the dryer's door. If there's no clicking sound, the door switch may be faulty. Therefore, replace the door switch with a functioning one. If this doesn't work, check the thermal fuse. The thermal fuse ensures that the dryer doesn't overheat. If the fuse is blown, your dryer won't start. To fix this, locate the thermal fuse and test it for continuity using a multimeter. You can find it on the blower housing or near the heating element. If the fuse has no continuity, replace it. If this doesn't work, inspect the control board. First, disconnect your dryer from the power source. Remove the dryer's control panel to locate the control board. Afterward, remove all the wires connected to the control board and proceed to remove and examine the control board for any damage. If it is damaged or has 0 ohms when tested using a multimeter, replace it. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix a Kenmore dryer that won't start. Thanks for watching. Till next time.